Look at all these payments. You can make this money absolutely for free just by watching videos. And this is the payment proof from only one of the websites that I will be showing you today. In this video, I will show you a total of 5 websites where you can make money online watching videos. The best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world just by using your smartphone, computer, or laptop. And imagine the kind of money you'll be making by watching videos on all 5 websites. That's more than $1,000 per day. The first website is Bucksinside.com. Check this out right here. Get paid every 10 seconds. This means if you only watch a 10-second long video, boom, you make money. Also, as you can see here, you need to have made only $2 and then you can cash out. If we check out the payment proof of the website, you can see that you can get paid via PayPal, Payoneer, and even Bitcoin. To sign up, simply click on Register right here. You will be taken to this registration form right here. Now you just need to complete the registration by entering a username of your choice here, the email address that you will use to receive your payments. Rewrite your email address here to confirm it, and then comes this referred by. You don't need to fill anything here because I'm not showing you this website to promote my referral link and make money. I want you to be the one making money. So take action and watch that money roll in. Now, enter your preferred currency here in which you want to get paid. You can choose to leave it to USD, or you can choose your local currency. Comment down below what's your local currency. This way I can make more videos which will enable you to get paid in your country. Select your payment method from this drop-down menu right here. As mentioned earlier, you can have so many payment methods to choose from. Select the one that works best for you, and then enter the year in which you were born here. Then tick this box to confirm that you're human. And now, all there's left to do is click on this right here to confirm that you've read and accepted the terms of service. Now, simply click on Register right here, and a free account will be created for you. Now you can easily make money by watching videos on this website. Let's head over to our second website now. Open your browser, type in Fusion Cash in the search bar. Now select the first link right here. Just by signing up, you make $5. Free money just for signing up. That is awesome. For now, click on the cross right here to exit the registration page. First, let's take a look at the website, and then I will guide you step by step on how to complete the registration process. Right here on the screen, it says Videos. This is how you'll be making money on this website, by watching videos. However, if you want to maximize your earnings, there is so much more you can do on this website. You can complete tasks, download mobile apps, play games, and even refer your friends and family to this website and get paid when they sign up for a free account. And that's not all. You can also make money by completing surveys. Let's go through the registration process together. Click on Paid to sign up right here. In this pop-up that we saw previously will appear. Again, fill in the username you want to use on this website, then input your email address right here, and enter a password that you will use every time you log into Fusion Cash. To confirm the password, just type in the same password you typed in here. Next, you need to enter the postal code/zip code of your country. If you don't know what yours is, you can look it up on Google. Just click on Register right here and boom! A free account will be created for you, and you will be able to make money watching videos. Our third website is YouCubes.com. Look at this, earn cash online. And that's precisely what you're going to do using this website. If you look over here, it says 20,000 payments sent. This is proof that the website indeed pays out, and you will really be making money with this. And right here, you can see that the website has been around since 2007, and this adds to its legitimacy. You can make money by completing surveys or watching videos. We will be focusing on making money by watching videos. First, you need to register for a free account. Simply click on Sign Up Now right here. You will be taken to the sign up page right here, and all you need to do now is fill in your details. Type in your email address here, and then rewrite it again here to confirm it. And after that, write your password here, and then again, you need to rewrite it here to confirm it. Then you will need to fill in your personal details, such as your full name, a username, your gender, and right here, your date of birth. Drop a comment down below to tell me which month you were born. It'll be fun to know. After you fill in the details for your date of birth, you need to choose your country by selecting this drop-down menu right here. As you can see, there are so many countries listed here, which means no matter which country you're from, you will still be able to make money on this website. Now for this last bit. How did you hear? For this, you can simply put in YouTube and then click on this box to confirm you're not a robot. Click on this small box right here to confirm that you agree to the terms of service of the website. And then, finally, click on Register. I will give you some bonus tips on how you can make more money by watching videos on this website. You can watch any video, such as this one right here. To make more money, simply open up multiple tabs so you can watch multiple videos at the same time and make more money. The next tip is that you can also log into your account using your phone and watch videos on both your phone and laptop or computer, and boom, more money for you. Now pay close attention to the most important tip. On the video, I want you to click this gear button right here, and under playback speed, select 2. This will play the video 2 times faster, which means you will be able to make twice as much money by watching more videos in less time. Moving on to our 4th website, Zoombucks. You can earn cash by completing surveys, doing offers, and our most favorite, watching TV. You just need to sign up, and after that, you can start making money. Before we sign up, let me show you how the payment methods work here. Click on Your Rewards, and then scroll down to this part right here, where it says free gift cards and cash. As you can see right here, you can choose gift cards or cash as your reward when you watch videos. Zoombucks has a point system. Look at what it says here. Accumulate points, and then once you reach the minimum number of points, you can choose to get paid via PayPal or your favorite gift card. And look at this exciting part right here. Our most loyal members are earning $500+ a month simply by completing surveys. This can be you, and you can choose to watch videos as well as complete surveys to make the most money. Let's proceed with the sign-up process. Scroll to the very top again. Now you can choose to register either by signing in with your Gmail or Facebook account, or you can manually enter your email address and password. And then click on Sign Up Now, and congratulations! A free account will be created for you. Now moving on to our final website for today. This is Ira Zoo. Scroll down to this part right here, and we will see how Ira Zoo works. In just 3 simple steps, you can get paid. You just need to join Ira Zoo, and then you complete tasks such as watching videos, and then finally, you can choose your reward. As you can see, you can select gift cards from big brands, such as Amazon, or simply convert the points you earn into PayPal. Let's scroll to the very top again so we can get you started. As you can see here, you can make money on this website not only by watching videos, but you can also download apps, do surveys, play games, etc. To sign up, just click on Join right here, and you will be taken to this page right here. Just type in your email address, your first name, your last name, and a password that you will use to log into your Ira Zoo account. Now just click on Create Account right here, and all there is left to say now is good luck making money.